We are currently at war with an old and formidable enemy that cannot be seen by the human eye. Fungal, bacterial, parasitic, and viral organisms form our adversary's constantly growing army, but we refuse to surrender or compromise in this conflict. We have made progress in learning about our adversary, but unfortunately, we are still losing the battle. A solution to better control these infectious microbes from spreading has not been available until now. The Ultima Star-vented brush features the newest design to protect against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites found in cumbersome to clean presently designed brushes. Its bristle guard is designed to protect the bristles from damage, while also preventing recontamination while storing. We can work together to create an innovative and determined next generation of people tackling tough challenges. Avant-Garde Innovations is dedicated to pushing boundaries, so learn more by visiting www.ultimasbrush.com and join us on our journey. We hope to see you back soon. Avant-Garde Innovations, we look at personal grooming with a bigger set of ideas.